Okay, I really don't know how to approach this at all. What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? Guys, it's been so long. It's your boy again, Bagni Bosco, back at you for another video. And today, we'll be eating some beef short ribs. What? Okay, you guys, I am so excited. It's not because I haven't tried beef ribs before. I have, but I never tried beef short ribs. I'm just trying to see what is the difference, and plus this was on sale, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get them cheap. So, what do we have in today's menu? We have 2 beef ribs right here. Oh, look at this. Look how soft and tender it is. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so juicy. What? Then over here we have some rice. Because you know, I'm Asian. Gotta eat meat and rice, you know what I'm saying? It's like a requirement being Asian, you know what I'm saying? Eating meat with rice. Or some kind of, or tofu, you know, those vegetarian fans out there, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's just get to eating, man. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten in like 2 hours, you know what I'm saying? Woo! Okay, I really don't know how to approach this at all. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, look at that juice. Okay. Let's see. Oh, got a fork, man. We're civilized. It's 2019. Wait, not this fork. This fork. Oh, look at that. I'm so hungry. Yeah. For the thumbnail. All right, let's just start eating. I'm gonna bring this a little closer, you know what I'm saying? Let me start cutting this. All right, let me start cutting this. Oh yes, I let it rested for about 10 minutes. And then I cooked it at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes. Oh yeah, oh shoot. I need a bigger knife, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. Oh shoot. Woo! This looks so good. Okay, gotta take the bones out because that's the worst part of any meat, you know what I'm saying? Can't eat the bone. Ah. Next time I want to bring my sword down here. Be a little easier. Ooh, look at that chunk of meat. All right, this one, I can use my hands. Remember, kids, you guys are cutting, cut away from yourself, you know what I'm saying? Please have a supervised adult, all right? And cut away from yourself. Oh, did you see that? All right, I'm gonna put the bones to the side. These are bones, okay? I got just the meat, look at this. Oh, that's so good. Oh.
Got a fork, man. We're civilized. It's 2019.
All right, let me wash it up for a second. Cut this. This right here is the cartilage from the bone. Gotta cut it against the grain, you know what I'm saying? Like cut it to bite size, you know what I'm saying? Ah! Oh, the bones are rotating over here. You guys saw that? All right, maybe cut this in half. Ah! All right, y'all, I just cleaned the fork and I put it right here. Dang, this thing is such a messy mukbang. I guess I could have done this before, huh? Before I started recording. It's all good. Let's see the process. All right, y'all, let's start eating. That is good. Oh man. So I marinated this overnight with a whole bunch of spices, some Korean LA gabi sauce, you know what I'm saying? Get that sweet and savory taste. Then I pop in the oven, and then here we are today. Super quick and easy, super cheap too. Like for a package of 4 ribs, short ribs, it was like $3. I do not get to eat this fancy every day, so might as well enjoy it. Gotta get that fat in there too. Let's talk about that keto diet, man. Oh, the fat is like rendering down. Oh, it's like rendering as I bite down to it. So delicious, bro. Heck yeah. Pause the mukbang for a second. Guys, we gotta talk about the new Harry Potter game just came out. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's like this Pokemon Go Harry Potter version. It's by the same company, Niantic. And dude, I was obsessed with Pokemon Go. And I'm even more obsessed with Harry Potter. Just in case you guys didn't know, me and my brother used to make props all the time, like Harry Potter ones. I am on Team Gryffindor, and so man, like I have really high hopes for this game because I love Pokemon Go. I was super obsessed with it, checking out my IVs. What I'm excited about is because like I've been waiting for an opportunity to get back into the Harry Potter universe. Fantastic Beasts was pretty good. I actually enjoyed it. I was one of the few that enjoy Fantastic Beasts, okay? I'm so excited. I wonder how it's gonna work. Because Pokemon Go was designed for those type of games. You know, you go out there, explore, you gotta capture them all. But in Harry Potter, I wonder how they're gonna base around the Harry Potter storyline into that premise or that game formula. Oh, look at this big fatty piece. Oh. Oh. Keto diet. Woo! What was keto diet without the rice? All right. Don't worry guys, I didn't forget. Gotta make a sandwich, man. I love sandwiches. Here. This is beef rib sandwich, you know what I'm saying? With some rice in the middle. It's kind of like a sushi. Dang, that was good. This thing is so fatty, dude. I love it. Ow. Sitting here enjoying my time. Oh. What? I'm down to the last piece already? Get the last piece of rice. All right. Dang, man, I think that's one of the fastest mukbangs I've ever done. Woo! All right, guys, it's that time. Please, if you guys want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Woo! I'll see you guys later.